What you are about to witness will redefine the meaning of transformation. This isn't just a forgotten machine, it's a vessel holding a story of decay and potential rebirth. Beneath layers of dust and rust, a hidden beauty lies dormant, waiting to be unveiled. The journey to unlock its soul requires more than just tools, it demands a vision. Stay with us as we embark on a meticulous process of revival that seems almost impossible. The deconstruction begins, a careful excavation of every component. Each part tells a tale of neglect, a silent testament to the years of abandonment. With practiced hands, the complex puzzle of the machine is methodically taken apart. The delicate systems, once the lifeblood of the vehicle, are exposed. Even the most stubborn connections yield to the focused effort of the craftsman. Layer by layer, the scooter's inner workings are revealed. Every piece, no matter how small, is removed with precision. The controls, the rider's connection to the road, are carefully detached. Soon, only the skeletal frame remains, a ghost of its former self. The process continues, delving deeper into the core of the machine. Not a single bolt or screw is left unturned in this thorough disassembly. The heart of the machine, the engine, is now accessible. Power tools are used to separate the final, most resilient pieces from the frame. At last, the deconstruction is complete. A silent inventory is taken, each part a challenge, a promise of what's to come. The restoration now moves to a more powerful machine. The grimy wheels are the first to be addressed, freeing them from years of dirt. With the frame stripped bare, the true extent of the required work is clear. Teamwork and brute force are needed to separate the most stubborn, rusted components. Now, the purification begins. A powerful jet of water strips away the past. Years of filth are blasted away, revealing the plastic's original color. Every panel undergoes this cleansing ritual, a baptism by water. For a deeper clean, soap and brush are applied with painstaking care. This is where dedication shines, in the meticulous scrubbing of every surface. The first glimpse of renewal appears as the clean part gleams in the light. The metal components receive the same treatment, washing away grime and oil. The suspension, critical to the ride, is purged of all impurities. Even the smallest pieces are gathered and thoroughly cleansed. The lights and gauges, the eyes and senses of the bike are delicately handled. The result is astonishing, a return to clarity and function. With the frame clean, the deep-seated corrosion must be addressed. A grinder scours away the rust, preparing the metal for a new beginning. The first layer of primer is applied, a blank canvas for the transformation. Then, a vibrant new color breathes life back into the motorcycle's skeleton. The plastic components are prepared with the same level of detail, sanded to a perfect smoothness. Each part is prepped for its own aesthetic rebirth. The gentle caress of fine grit sandpaper ensures a flawless finish. This painstaking prep work is the secret to a professional-grade restoration. A coat of white primer is applied, unifying the surface. Other parts are cloaked in a deep, lustrous black. The subtle art of spray painting requires a steady hand and an eye for consistency. Each pass of the spray gun adds to the growing transformation. Attention now turns back to the metal engine parts, scarred by rust. The grinder's sparks fly, a violent but necessary step to remove the decay. Every trace of corrosion is meticulously erased from the cylindrical components. With the surfaces prepared, they too are ready for their protective new coat. A coat of resilient black paint restores the engine parts to their former glory. The process is almost meditative, a dance of color and metal. Some components receive a brilliant silver finish, creating a stunning contrast. The freshly painted body panels hang like works of art, curing in the open air. Now, we dive into the heart of the machine, the carburetor. It is carefully disassembled, revealing a complex world of tiny, vital parts. Each jet and valve is inspected and cleaned with surgical precision. The reassembly begins, a delicate puzzle of brass and aluminum. The carburetor, now pristine and perfectly functional, is reborn. The process is intimate, a conversation between man and machine. All its components are laid bare, an anatomy of airflow and fuel. The smallest, most critical passages are cleared with a gentle brush. A final polish ensures that every piece is immaculate. This level of detail is what separates a simple repair from a true restoration. No corner is left untouched, no speck of dirt remains. The entire assembly is subject to this rigorous purification. Compressed air provides the final cleansing breath, purging any hidden debris. The cleaned components sit ready, a testament to the artisan's dedication. The intricate reassembly begins, handled with the precision of a watchmaker. Each piece fits perfectly into place, the mechanism taking shape once more. The core components of the carburetor are carefully reunited. With the last pieces in place, the delicate instrument is whole again. A final inspection confirms its readiness. The carburetor is restored. Now, attention turns to the engine itself, the source of the motorcycle's power. The engine's case is opened, revealing the complex gearbox within. The cylinder is lifted away, a critical step in the engine teardown. The restored carburetor is carefully installed, bridging the gap between fuel and power. Connections are secured, ensuring a perfect flow of energy. The engine, now equipped with its refurbished heart, is nearly ready. The engine teardown is a mechanical ballet of precision and knowledge. Deep within the casing, the intricate dance of gears and shafts is revealed. The cylinder is carefully extracted, exposing the piston. And the piston itself, the heart of the combustion process, is removed. The dissection continues, delving into the valve system. Every component, down to the smallest seal, is systematically removed. The old oil filter is detached, a routine but vital part of the overhaul. The timing chain, responsible for the engine's rhythm, is lifted away. The engine case is split, revealing the deepest secrets of its inner workings. The process is relentless, a complete deconstruction to ensure a perfect rebuild. The clutch assembly is dismantled, piece by intricate piece. The methodical work continues until nothing is left but individual parts. This complete teardown is essential for a comprehensive restoration. Each part is a chapter in the engine's history of wear and tear. The transmission gears are exposed and removed for inspection. Finally, the valves are extracted from the cylinder head. The engine exists now only as a collection of carefully organized components. The final pieces of the engine puzzle are set aside. Laid out on the ground, the sheer complexity of the machine is breathtaking. A powerful spray wash purges every part of the accumulated grime of a lifetime. the cleaning process is as important as the reassembly. With a simple tool, the caked-on grease is scraped away. The parts are sorted and organized, a methodical approach to a complex task. In the workshop, the fine cleaning begins. Each gear is given individual attention. The clutch plates are meticulously cleaned and inspected for wear. Every component is renewed, preparing it for a second life. A chemical bath dissolves the most stubborn deposits. Specialized tools are used to polish and restore the smaller, delicate parts. The cylinder head, the brain of the engine, is wiped clean. The valve seats are cleaned to ensure a perfect seal, critical for compression. The small retaining clips are removed, freeing the valve springs. The piston and its rings are bathed and scrubbed, removing carbon buildup. This is where performance is born in, the cleanliness and precision of these parts. The reassembly of the engine begins, a process of pure focus. The two halves of the engine case are rejoined and torqued to specification. The timing chain is reinstalled, setting the mechanical heartbeat of the engine. Slowly and deliberately, the engine comes back to life. The cylinder head is gently lowered onto the block. Care is taken not to damage the pristine surfaces. The engine, once a collection of parts, is now a unified whole. The final components of the engine are installed with a focused intensity. The craftsman stands back for a moment, assessing his work. Each new piece adds to the growing complexity and beauty of the machine. The newly painted cylinder is carefully guided into place. The valve cover is fitted, sealing the top of the engine. The intricate clutch mechanism is reassembled with practiced ease. Another cover is set, bringing the engine closer to completion. The crankshaft, the backbone of the engine, is carefully installed and secured. A specialized tool is used to tighten a critical retaining nut. The meticulous assembly continues, with each part finding its home. Bolts are tightened in sequence, ensuring even pressure across the components. The patience and precision required are immense. The final major engine case is maneuvered into position. The fully assembled engine is a work of mechanical art. Now, it receives its lifeblood, fresh, clean oil. The final seals and caps are put into place, marking the end of the engine rebuild. A last check ensures every detail is perfect. The heart is ready. The nervous system of the bike, the wiring harness, is painstakingly connected. The restored carburetor is mated to the engine, uniting fuel and air. The grand assembly begins, starting with the very first fasteners on the painted frame. The newly painted frame is now the centerpiece of the workshop. The swing arm, a critical suspension component, is carefully bolted into place. Control cables are routed through the frame with precision. Power tools speed up the process of securing major components. The front forks, gleaming in black and silver, are prepared for installation. The stunning gold front wheel is fitted with its axle. the new exhaust system begins to take shape. Every bolt is tightened with care, ensuring the structure is solid. The complex assembly of the headset and handlebars is underway. The electrical system is meticulously woven into the bike's structure. The beautifully restored engine is ready to be reunited with the frame. With great care, the engine is maneuvered into its new home. Small electronic modules, the bike's brains, are connected. The first pieces of the gleaming new bodywork are installed. The motorcycle's final form begins to emerge, piece by piece. The seat is attached, offering the first hint of the finished ride. The rear wheel is mounted, making the machine whole. A rear storage compartment adds a touch of practicality. The headlight assembly is fitted, giving the bike its face. The brake fluid reservoir is installed, a small but vital safety component. The final fluids are added, preparing the bike for its first breath. The last electrical connections are made, completing the circuit. Brake fluid is carefully poured, energizing the hydraulic system. The machine, once in pieces, now stands proud and complete. The craftsman makes his final adjustments, ensuring every detail is perfect. He inspects the engine, the reborn heart of his creation. The body panels are secured one last time. The fit and finish are flawless, a testament to the dedication invested. The dashboard instruments are installed. The vibrant new paint job seems to glow under the workshop lights. The side panels are snapped into place, completing the bike's sleek profile. The rear of the bike is a symphony of red, white, and black. The final underbelly panel is secured. The crisp, bright turn signal is a beacon of modern safety. The transformation is complete. A forgotten relic has been reborn. From dust and decay to a pristine, powerful machine, a masterpiece of restoration. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, DT Restoration, for creating this wonderful video. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their incredible work. You can find a link to their channel in the description below.